Shout out to the boys up there at Cymatics, man. This pack right here, this Pharaoh Beta Pack was crazy. It didn't take me any time to really realize like the power of how they kind of put these sounds together and did their thing. So look, I decided to stop making these boss heavy production beat, I guess, banger. I don't even know what to call this thing, but I know it's gonna be something where I'm gonna have you guys, the viewers, chime in and let me know how you feel about these beats. So without further ado, let me just hop into these sounds and let you see what I'm talking about. Alright, so boom. Let me see. Boom, alright. Back in there. So without, when you're in the mix of grabbing these loops, or if you're just like a guy like myself that taps in a lot, you gotta find a bass line, or I call it a skeleton. So what I usually do when I'm trying to make like 4 or 5 different beats, I will create a skeleton, which is basically just like the snare and like the feel of the beat, the bass line. Alright, so there we go. Right, you start off. Then obviously, you get a feel of how to. Alright, so look. This is what you about to do. You're gonna run through like 4 of these beats. And y'all let me know. Let's see if we can do something for the ladies. What up, though? Yeah. If you're here right now, man, I appreciate you. Yeah. Just catch a vibe. 5:50 a.m. Early bird get the worm type shit. Yeah. Nice little bounce. So I was like, yeah, the thing for the ladies was hard. I ain't gonna hold you, think it was hard, but see if I can get some a little harder. You know what I'm talking Yeah. Thank y'all for tuning in for this Boss Heavy production. It's your boy Swift. Let me know how you feel about these sounds, man. We just fooling around. This for y'all though. Let it run more time. Yeah. This thing don't hold no prisoners right here. This thing raw. Yeah. Well, right next we got me a club bang in there too though. This thing was kind of jamming. I was like, yeah. Bang. I know how you use this. I know it's crazy how freaky be. You know, you pick a beat. Sometimes you just gotta go through the sounds and just see what fits and catch a vibe. One more time, let's get it. That's one. Club banger. For the ladies. It's for the ladies. Spooky. It's Halloween. Comment down below on Halloween. Yeah. Thanks again for tuning in. If you're here right now, man, this is the first episode. Studio One Boss Heavy Production. Beat pick selection. Pharaoh Pack Cymatics Cook Up. Yeah. You know what I mean? As you can see, this is just the beginner stages of how you would like pick whatever beat you want, but for the most part, this is how I go through my beginner stages of like picking sounds, and I figured it'd be hella cool to get some kickback from you guys. So let's do it. As always, it's been a pleasure. Like and subscribe, holla at your boy. Don't forget, man. Go holler at them boys in Cymatics and get with it. It's all there for you to cook up. Boss heavy. That way.